When using Business Central and some of the integrations that come with the product, it makes collaborating even easier. For this situation, I'm going to go ahead and change a salesperson. I had a salesperson that has left the department and they have moved on to another position in the company. And I need to change all of my customer records quickly in order to reflect the new salesperson. So if I need to change all of my customer records quickly without having to go through each individual card, I can simply come in and I can use Edit in Excel. Edit in Excel is going to download a file for me. I'm going to go ahead and select Open File, hit Enable Editing, and what this is doing is it's connecting to my Business Central and pulling in all of those customer records right inside of my screen. So you'll notice everything's popped up now, and here's my salesperson code. If I need to quickly change the salesperson, let's say I'm looking directly for BC, that's who left the department, and I need to change those records. I can come in, select that person, that individual on the card, and then I can filter and change it to who it needs to be. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and change it to LT, and I can either select it in the pane that's going to be on the right-hand side, or I can just type, or I can do a copy and just paste it down all the way if it's going to be the same person for all my records. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead, we're going to clear our filter, and I'm going to publish my changes. When I hit publish, that's pushing all of those changes that I've made back up into Business Central. So I don't have to go into each individual contact card to be able to change that information. So here it's publishing, and now we can go back into our Business Central window. So we can share those changes out and let the new salesperson know that they have new customers that they need to reach out to or that they need to be able to work with. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to go back into our Business Central window. And let's take one of those records that we had just changed. So this one belongs to LT. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to hit that share button again. This time I'm going to share it out to Teams to let my salesperson know, hey, here's your new record. Pops up a box and it's just going to ask who I want to share it to, a person, a group, or even a channel in the system. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and send it out to Lorelei. You'll notice I have the link. All I have to do now is hit share, and now Lorelei has that information. Lorelei now has that new record. If we jump over into the other window, so we're going to jump into our Teams real quick, you'll notice here I have all of my records, everybody that I possibly could need to send information out to. So if I wanted to send that information out to the customer service team, you'll notice I already have a contact card here, but if I needed to send a different one, I simply come in, I click on my ellipsis, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Business Central app and search for the contacts. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to look for an individual person. I can start typing for a contact name, or I can start searching a customer or a vendor in the system. So anybody who's listed as a contact can be searched through. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to look for Tasha. And this is going to pull up a customer record and also a vendor record as well. If I want the customer card, I just go ahead and grab that, and that's creating the contact card. I can go ahead and send it. You'll notice it has my name, company name, the type, the business relation, and then also the phone number and email that's associated to that specific contact. So I can have that information without having to log into Business Central and save myself some time. I can also do details. If I click on the details, it's opening up my Business Central window inside of Teams. So I no longer have to go back and forth if I need to find information regarding the contact. I can also put in history. So if there's interactions that I need to track, if I had a phone call, a conversation, I can quickly track those conversations and those interactions from my Teams window without having to log it back into Business Central or switch to another tab. I can do everything directly from this one screen. And that is how Business Central, Excel, and Teams all make your lives a lot easier.